Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So let's see what's the guidance for you in your current situation. So we'll be doing it according to piles. So pile number 1 would be the green bracelet and pile number 2 would be the white bracelet. So let's see what's coming up for you in the next coming 7 days. For pile number 1 and for pile number 2. I can say that in the next coming 7 days, you're gonna work a lot on your self-care. Chitya, you have learned a lot from your past and now you have set some boundaries कि I won't accept anything less than that or anything more than this, okay? This is my boundary and इसी के हिसाब से I will work. You'll be like, I want what I deserve, okay? So अभी in the coming weeks ऐसा हो सकता है कि to feel better and to come back in your energy or your power, you may be visiting some old friends, ठीक है, to revive the energy. You may be putting a lot of efforts on your beauty. You'll be working very hard to be financially independent. And ऐसा भी हो सकता है कुछ लोग, for the few you will be visiting your old friends and for few it will be like making new friends, going out and partying, going out and visiting a lot of new people, meeting a lot of people. So by the end of the week, what you'll be achieving is this, that is financial independence and a lot of beauty. You are already very beautiful and you are enhancing your beauty and you're working very hard on it. And this will help you a lot. And you will also get a lot of support from your friends, be it old friends or new friends, anyone. So it's more like you should be going out, meeting people, talking to them, sharing your thoughts, hearing their thoughts. And the boundaries which you have set are not very much, okay? They are very minimal and they are very necessary for you. And yes, you will step back into your power in the end of the week. So this is what your reading is. And type 3 in the comment section to claim this energy because I've got a lot of 3 number cards. Take care, bye bye. Now let's go to the pile number 2. Okay, so for the people who chose pile number 2, that is this white bracelet, a lot of financial opportunities are coming to you in the next coming week. Whatever your confusion was regarding money or finances or career, whatever you were trying to balance your finances कि इतना आ रहा है, इतना जाना चाहिए, इतना जा रहा है, इतना आना चाहिए. So you were in like कि इतना ही आ रहा है और इतना ही जा रहा है और फिर कम आ रहा है और ज़्यादा जा रहा है. ऐसे कुछ feelings हो सकती हैं you may have, or this confusion you may have. But the thing is that this confusion is coming to an end. This is coming to an end. The confusion that you had for your finances is now finally coming to an end. And a lot of new financial opportunities are coming to you. I've got a lot of cards which show new beginnings, okay? So this is the Fool card which shows a lot of new beginnings, okay? And I've got the Page of Pentacles which shows new opportunities in the matters of money, and also the Sun card which also shows a lot of bright possibilities, a lot of new beginnings, a lot of new chapters opening for you in the case of finances, okay? And by the end of this week, you may feel ki now I have finally saved something. Now I'm finally able to manage my finances. I finally come out of the confusion. Also, you may be traveling in the future and to a new place for maybe work related things, or maybe for your, maybe this financial journey starts with another two of your, that is, maybe you get a transfer, maybe you go to a place for having fun and end up working over there, and anything can be happen. But it's like it's giving me more energy कि आप जिस एरिया में अभी रह रहे हो उससे थोड़ा बाहर निकल के, मे बी बाय ट्रैवलिंग और गोइंग समवेयर आउट, you will find a lot of new opportunities, maybe by meeting new people. Okay, this thing can be done. You'll be feeling very nice, financially reliable. At least आप जो सांस भी नहीं ले पा रहे थे, that confusion of yours was coming up, that is going to end. And I've also got the Wheel of Fortune. So all positive cards. After this confusion of yours ends, जो ये आप बैलेंस बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, जो कंफ्यूजन आपकी आ रही है, जैसे ही ये खत्म होती है, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर यू, ओके? Lot of new beginnings, lot of new chapters, lot of new things for you which are very beneficial for you. और ऐसा नहीं है कि it is beneficial in some other way. It is beneficial in the financial way only. And I guess आप financially ही balance बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, and that balance you will make by the end of this week. So yeah, it's a very nice field for you on your finances. And I think that Jupiter transit is somehow related to this benefit of yours. So take जितना आप इससे फ़ायदा ले सकते हैं आप लीजिए, जितना आप इससे इनकम जनरेट कर सकते हैं, सेविंग कर सकते हैं कीजिए, बिकॉज़ दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस टाइम फॉर यू। एंड येस, डोंट डाउट, डोंट थिंक कि ये कुछ मैनिपुलेटिव तो नहीं है, कुछ अजीब सा तो नहीं है दैट इज़ हैपनिंग, कि कोई नई चीज़ स्टार्ट करने से पहले दैट हेजिटेशन ऑफ योर्स नीड्स टू एंड, एंड यू नो, go on and take the opportunity. Just grab the opportunity and do your best. There is a lot of new things waiting for you. Bye bye.